In the solemn chamber of the courthouse, the venerable Judge George, an embodiment of legal sagacity and seasoned experience, took under his wing Judge James, a jurist in the early throes of his professional journey. Their exchange delved into the nuanced considerations of attributing the burden of proof and calibrating the evidence threshold. George imparted, with a gravitas born of decades within the judiciary,
James, let me reiterate this once more. If a party's ability to collect evidence has been intentionally or unintentionally sabotaged by the opposing party, it is unjust to burden them with proving their case. Furthermore, setting a high evidentiary threshold, represented by the Oxa Bar, for a party whose evidence collection ability has been compromised would violate the principle of equality of arms as enshrined in Article 6 of the European Convention on Human Rights. Allowing such a practice would create a dangerous precedent where exploiters could manipulate the legal system by sabotaging their victims' ability to gather evidence, then sue them and win in court. This would effectively make the court complicit in harming the victims and denying them justice, thus violating their human rights in the material objective reality. It's imperative that the court upholds the principle of equality before the law and ensures that all parties have a fair opportunity to present their case and access justice.
James, reflecting on the depth of George's elucidation, acknowledged,
I get your point, George. If there's even a suspicion of sabotage in evidence collection, it's rational to consider shifting the burden of evidence to the party with the best means to gather it. Alternatively, if we maintain the burden on the original party, we should lower the evidence threshold. We mustn't allow exploiters to manipulate the system. Rest assured, George, I'm committed to upholding this standard. You can count on me.
This exchange not only highlights the mentor-mentee relationship between George and James, but also underscores the imperative of judicial equity, the safeguarding of human rights, and the maintenance of justice within the legal system.